So I first met Dion in 2017 when we were both students at Korea University, and he was the only black guy in my group, or maybe actually my whole program. The first time we really spoke was at a venue for a performance when I overheard him in the front row complaining that the washroom didn't have any soap. So I offered him my hand sanitizer, like the angel that I am, and ever since then, we've been involved in a very healthy friendship in which we drag each other beyond belief and are in weirdly constant communication with one another. We laugh, we cry, we make memes about one another. Being the saucy young man that he is, I figured there was no one better to narrate/drag my makeup application process. I think he did a fine job of displaying his comedic talents and only making my feelings hurt just a little bit. Please enjoy.
Hello, so I have watched a James Charles video once, so call me somewhat of an expert. There she is. I'm about to do this broad's makeup tutorial voiceover thing. Oh, hello. She's taking this Riveria thing, eyeshadow thing. She's taking the pink shade, pinkity drinkity, if you will. So she's patting it on. Where's the pigment? I'm still waiting for the pigment. Yikes. Oh, girl, you're gonna give yourself wrinkles. She switched to her finger. Different application. Oh, finish eyes, and then she's going to I think that's Fenty. Oh, that's definitely Fenty with those colors. And then she's putting that purple thing as a shimmer shade. Is that even eyeshadow? I don't even know. So period. So now she's going. Oh, now we're going to eyeliner. So once again, she's pulling your eyes. You're gonna give yourself wrinkles. She's always telling me to do skincare, but there she is, pulling your skin. That's not the best eyeliner I've ever seen. And what's the end, girl? I'll be fix that in post. But she's going, oh, girl, you need to work on that technique. So she's going back in, pulling her lids. I'm going to see crow's feet. Oh, you know how you're gonna have raccoon eyes in a second. Keep going in. Oh, okay. They're friends. I think they're friends. Wait, is that eyebrows or eyeliner? I don't know. Getting that peak tip thing. Oh, no, okay. Now we're doing face. I'm thinking I'm gonna say this is primer. I don't know. So primer, we don't know what brand it is, so I'm guessing, we're bronzing? Or is this foundation? Since you're putting all over your face, I'm gonna say it's foundation. Okay, I think it's foundation. And she's just gonna beat that in. You might want to add a little more. I don't see any difference. Okay, again, we don't know the brand, so I'm gonna assume this is not highlighter, concealer. Okay, because she has hella bags. Okay, she's putting a donut on her face. I think she got something on her eye. And then oh wow, we're going so fast. And she's wiped it away. Her back hurt. Tough being a baddie out there. I wasn't paying attention to. Okay, that's contour. What's the difference between contour and bronzer? I don't know. Same thing, right? So she's doing the darkening of the skin to, do that. And now we're curling eyelashes now. Curling, those are really scary devices. Oh, that was really quick. Okay, now she's using a mascara to, voluminize those eyelashes. Oh, damn, girl, how many passes you gonna go through? Okay, now we're on to the other eye. She's volume. Wow, that's a hard word. Volumizing that eyelash. Okay, girl, the ghetto gets a new. Oh, what is that thing called? A new blush. Okay, she's taking one blush from one side and going in. Now she's going on the nose, giving herself that e-girl realness. Okay, and now what is that? I'm gonna assume that's highlighter. She's giving herself this a color, and then not color. What's it called? Shimmer. Okay, so I think she's going back in with some more blush because. Oh no, that's not blush. That's highlighter. She's highlighting, trying to shine for all you girls out there. So a lot of highlighter was applied. Now we're on some lipstick. That is a funky looking lipstick. You might want to go in. I can't tell the difference, girl. Oh, and I think, are we done? Very 80s realness. Very Saved by the Bell. Was that? Oh, now we're say-sewing. Oh, now we're looking We had to get those B-side rolls shots. And pose. Whoa. Hair flick. Oh. Not Megan Thee Stallion. So I guess that was it. That was the video. Very short. Very, like, you know, straight to the point, if you will. So that was the video. I hope you enjoyed me trying to cope with describing whatever she was doing. Okay. Bye-bye.